Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
Add this drill to your list of tools that you need at home. It's so convenient for when you need to free up your hands. This drill does a great, precise job. It has a speed chuck that really is easy if you need to change your bits, so I'm able to use it on a variety of projects. It also is very well balanced. It has a comfortable grip with rubber around the hands that makes sure that I have a tight hold on it. It also has the adjustable torque. That is really nice so I'm not damaging whatever I'm drilling into. It also has a very nice pressure on the trigger, so it's pressure sensitive, so I don't have to worry about pushing too hard. This really helps with any jobs around the house or any repairs that I can do that would need just a little bit more finesse. It is an essential tool, and I'm so thankful to have this Makita drill.
That's my point of view.